Let us start standing warm-up. Stand straight with feet apart, hands on your waist. Now let us start neck movements. As we inhale, look up. As we exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale up and exhale down. Side bends. Bring your right ear towards the right shoulder. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center. Now let us twist. Inhale, exhale, twist towards the right. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center and relax. Now let us start rotating the neck. As we inhale, go back. As we exhale, forward. Inhale, half circle. Exhale, other half. Reverse to the other direction. Inhale and exhale and relax. Now let us do shoulder movements. Stretch your hands in front of your body. As you inhale, open your hands, open the chest. Exhale, bring forward. Inhale, open, and exhale, and relax. Now while inhaling, stretch both your hands up, and exhale, bring it down. Inhale, up, and exhale, and relax. Now start rotating your hands, keeping the elbows straight, and reverse. And relax the hands. Next, elbow movements. Stretch your hands sideways. Place your fingers on the shoulders. Inhale and exhale, straighten. Inhale and exhale. Coming to wrist movements, stretch your hands forward. Palms facing upwards. Inhale, exhale, bring it down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale and exhale. Now start rotating your hands, rotating your palms from the wrist joints. Reverse and relax. Now let us work on the fingers. Stretch your fingers wide and make a tight fist. Stretch the fingers and tight fist, and slowly relax the hands down. Again, stretch your hands in front, palms facing upwards. Now with the left palm, press the right palm upwards and downward. Up and down. Repeat with the left hand. Up, down, up, and down, and relax. Now let us do hip rotation. Place both your hands on your waist and start rotating your waist. Keep your head at one place. Only move the lower body. Reverse and relax. Now let us do side bends. Place both your legs slightly apart, shoulder width apart. As you inhale, stretch your right hand up. As you exhale, bend towards the left. Inhale, come up, and exhale, bend towards the right. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, center, and relax. Now let us do spinal twist. Stretch both your hands forward. Inhale, exhale, twist towards the right. Inhale, center, exhale, left. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and relax. Now let us do spinal stretch. Feet slightly apart. As you inhale, stretch your hands up, interlock the fingers, palms facing upward, and stretch your entire body up. Come on your toes. Exhale down. Inhale, stretch. And exhale and down. Now lift your right leg slightly up. Crunch your toes and stretch. Crunch and stretch. Now stretch your right foot forward and flex. Stretch and flex. Now start rotating your right foot. Reverse and release. Now let us repeat with the left leg. Lift your left leg slightly up. Crunch your toes and stretch. Crunch and stretch. Now stretch your left foot forward and flex. Stretch and flex. Now rotate your left foot. Reverse and relax. Now let us do movements for the knees. Lift your right leg slightly up and kick with your right leg. Relax. Now let us do with the left leg. Lift your left leg up and kick with your left leg. And relax. Now let us work on the hip joint. Lift your right leg up, bend the knee, and start rotating your leg from the hip joint. Make a bigger circles and reverse and relax. Let us repeat with the left leg. Lift the left leg, bend the knee, and start rotating your leg from the hip joint. And reverse and relax. The next hip movements. Stretch both your hands up. Lift your left leg up and try touching with your right palm in front of your body. Continue and release. Repeat with the other side. Try lifting your right leg, touching with the left palm, and relax. Coming to the next movement, stretch your right hand towards the right side. Now try lifting your right leg sideways and touch the palm. Continue and relax. Same way, stretch your left hand towards the left side. Try touching your left toes with the left palm. And relax. Now let us do dynamic squatting. Feet wide apart. As you inhale, stretch your hands up, join the palms. As you exhale, squat down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale and exhale and relax. Moving to the forward bend. Feet slightly apart. As you inhale, stretch your hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale up and exhale down. And inhale up and relax. These were few variations of standing warm-up. If you want, you can do sun salutation for the complete body warm-up. Thank you.